Wow, these dumplings are really the best.
How are the dumplings?
So yummy! More dumplings, please.
Sure. Just a second. Come on. Oh no!
Oh no! Disaster!
Uh-oh.
Hey! Huh? What's going on here? Why do you look so gloomy? Oh, don't worry! We'll fix it! Sue! We've got a new exciting crafting task! We gotta make a dumpling machine! Let me see.
Aha! Awesome! We have everything we need to build this machine. First, we need a large piece of cardboard. We need precise measurements to build a dumpling machine. Good thing I have a ruler. Now I'll draw the outlines. Amazing! We can't just cut the pieces out randomly. What if they don't fit together? The machine will end up crooked. Now it's finally time to cut them all out. But we need to be very careful with the cutter. Doing it slowly is the key. We won't mess up the lines.
My magic hammer will do the rest!
A real magic hammer?
Oh, I'll show you! Lift the cardboard up!
I'm ready for the show.
Ready, steady, go! See? Magic! Now you can't have any doubts. My hammer is magical! What magical tool do you have?
I can do magic without any tools. But I still need some glue to put it all together. Right now, we are making the body of our dumpling machine. It needs to be sturdy so it works properly. Here's one more wall, and here's the top piece. We also need a door.
No problem. On it. All done. Check it out.
Let's see. Wow, it fits our dumpling machine perfectly. Now, will it open and close? Yep. Awesome. Great job, Sammy. Thanks for the help. I'll use these purple pieces to cover our machine.
Let me see. I'm not sure, Sue. You know what? I need to clear this with the client. The design seems a bit boring to me. The client asked us to fix this to the front of the machine.
Oh, this will make it look so much prettier. Look how beautiful it already is. Once we make the sides purple, it'll become the cutest dumpling machine in the world.
I totally agree. It's amazing.
Almost done. What do you think, friends? Would you use a dumpling machine like this?
I bet they would.
Covering the door is a bit tricky, but we'll manage. Aha! Perfect. And a few finishing touches. Hey, Sue. How is it going? Is it almost ready? Hi! We're getting there. Perfect. I brought a few more things for the machine. Aw, how cute! Sammy, look!
Holy cannoli! Can I put them up on my own? This is a big job! Oops, I need my hammer! Well, it doesn't seem crooked. Time for the most important part! Sue, I'm done here!
Well done, Sammy! I'll just add this little dumpling right here. Wow, looks super cute!
You'll shine like a diamond! Wait, Sue! We forgot the mechanism!
No, we didn't. I've got it ready. Let's just assemble it. Good thing I learned how to make it. We just gotta fold and bend it a little. Yep, and the other one. Great! Next up, we add a bit of glue. That's enough on this side. This piece is a very important part of the mechanism. I'll put a few rubber bands around it. We'll need them later. In you go! Let's fix the mechanism inside the machine. Every step is very important.
Whoa, that looks kinda complicated, but also exciting!
We'll also need to add some glue so our mechanism stays in place. Let's attach the other side too. Here we go! Let's check out the result! Wow, it's really cool!
I'm so happy the dumpling machine is finally ready!
Whee!
Hey, Barbie, what's up?
Is the dumpling machine ready?
It is! Isn't it the coolest dumpling machine ever?
Yay! Even better than I expected! How does it work?
What did you say? How do I work? Every day! I can't really hear you! I gotta go, bye! Sue, we have a problem! We forgot to make dumplings!
Don't worry, Sammy. It won't take long. Ta-da! It doesn't look like a real dumpling yet. But wait and you'll see. We'll use some sticky tape to cover the tip. Now the fun part. I'll use this glue stick to make our dumpling sticky. And guess why? To make it sparkle. We'll need some glitter.
Maybe purple?
Great idea! Purple is perfect, Sammy. The more glitter we use, the shinier our dumpling gets. Oh, I know how to make it even prettier. Let's see if my plan works. Whoa! Look at this sparkly masterpiece! It's not done yet. Let's wrap it all up. I feel like I'm wrapping a gift. We're almost done here. Now we rotate the dumpling and secure the tip with some sticky tape. We don't need this piece. Let's just cut it off. Time to draw a cute smiley face. Oh, look! It's blushing! This dumpling knows how cute and squishy it is! The next dumpling is gonna be very different. Some soft stuffing goes inside. Next, we gotta wrap it all tightly, rotate a few times, and fix the tip. A piece of sticky tape can help us. I'll cut off the extra paper. We can't leave our dumpling plain and boring, right? I want to make it as bright and colorful as possible. It's gonna be a rainbow dumpling! We've got some purple, now let's add blue! And finally, a bit of green. I really like this one! And you? Would you like all dumplings to be as colorful as this one? But we still need to wrap this little one up. Just like the previous one, we fix the wrapping at the top with some sticky tape. We don't need this piece, so let's cut it off. Perfect. Time to draw the face. Aw, it turned out so cute! The only thing missing is a bit of blush. And the finishing touch. Which dumpling is cuter? I really can't choose.
Wow, these dumplings look so yummy!
They are! Let's fill the dumpling machine.
Woohoo! It's ready! Gotta tell Barbie. Hi, I got news!
Let's take a closer look. Yay! My new dumpling machine is ready! Let's see what I get! I'm so excited! Wow, what a pretty dumpling! Thanks, guys! Let me try too! What did I get? Yay! It's the colorful one!
My turn! these be pretty and yummy? It's so awesome! I got the biggest dumpling!
Thank you so much, friends. My cafe can open again, and my clients will be so happy. So, what do you think about our craft, guys?
If you like it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon! Bye-bye!